All right, everybody, we've launched on the French Broad. We are going to start scouting for our last regular season tournament of the year, which is the Rivers. It's gonna be a Holston and the French Broad. And while we did decently on Gunnersville, we really need a top 10 finish on this tournament and probably on the Classic as well to have a chance at qualifying for state championships. So we're gonna do a lot of floats on the river, try some new spots and some new stretches, and see if we can't find some good fishing areas. So we're gonna get out here, have some fun, try to catch some smallmouth, see if the French Broad has recovered a little bit more since the last time we fished it back in May. Fishing's not been the same since the hurricane, unfortunately. This entire waterway is completely different. So we're just gonna try to see if we can't figure it out again. The water's a little bit dingier than it normally is, and it's probably going to be that way for a little while, as far as we can tell. So the water's clearer than it was, so we're just going to figure out if the smallmouth fishing's still as good as it was for the past few years. If not, we'll end up on the Holston. So we don't know. We're just going to get out here and experiment and have some fun. So let's see what happens. Good grief. Got him. Ned rig. Hot craw. Drum. I think so. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Got him. There we go. Little drum. It's a little old drum. Apparently this is about the average size of them, but they grow pretty big on the French Broad. But little drum, about 12 inches. Go let him go. Caught him on the Ned rig. Fish this side. Yeah. That's smallmouth. That's a good smallmouth. Yep. Oh, I got him. He is. $17 3/4. All right, guys. Oh, give me here. Come here, Smalley. He's got some fight to him. Look at this gorgeous smallmouth, guys. Big belly on him too. It's really good to see these fish healthy. We're gonna let him go. 17 3/4 inch smallmouth on the Ned rig. Oh, that's 3. Three fish on 3 casts. This one's a little bit smaller, but smallmouth on the Ned rig. There's a smallie. Little guy. Oh, quick release. Oh. Had a gar chase my glide bait. There's another one. Yep. Holy crap. There's just some monster gar out here. Oh my gosh. You gotta be kidding me. Guys, I just caught a monster. I caught an absolute monster. Look at him. He's quite big if you put it up close to the camera. There he goes. He is probably about 5 or 6 inches long.
What's that?
There, right in front of you.
Something moving across the top of the water. Right under the surface.
5. Little drum on the Ned rig. We're gonna let him go. Right here in the grass. Check him out, guys. Another nice smallmouth, this time on the top water. Healthy fish, beautiful smallmouth. You gotta let him go. On the top water over here.
What you got? Let me see. Turn him this way. Nice one. All right, set him loose.
Oh, finally.
GoPro capture. Whatever this is, has got some size to it. At least it feels like it does. Pretty sure this is a big old drum. Oh crap. Yeah. Big drum. Great big drum. Holy cow. He is fat. Good grief, look at that thing. That joker is, he might be tarp.
Really? Not gonna let him go, are you?
No, he's on my fish grips. Oh, Lord have mercy. No, he's not tarp. 22.5 inches.
Wow.
That is a beast. All right, I don't know if I can even get this up for you guys to see it. There he is.
Wow.
22.5 inch long drum. That is a chunk. See if he's gonna be a little drama queen while I let him go. It's actually, no, that's a her, actually. And off she goes. GoPro capture. Yeah. There we go. All right, another big old drum. Set him loose, and away he goes. Finally got a smallmouth. Not much of one, but he's still a smallmouth. There's our target species. Haven't had many of them today.
Look at there. There's a good little smallmouth right there. That's a good smallmouth. He's about 13, 14 inches. Maybe closer to 15. He's not as dark as the other one was. But he's a pretty healthy fish. Got a big old red eye on him. We're gonna let him go. GoPro capture. I actually caught him while reeling in. Lord help. Little guy. Going back. Bald eagle. Yeah. There's both of them. Those are all bald. Those two are bald eagles that flew that way. And that was a seagull, I think. Ha!
Got me a smallmouth. Don't know what I might do with my smallmouth. Might hang out with him for a little while. I don't know, I might mount him above the fireplace. Or I might let him go.